video will show you the basics of how to use our credit union mobile banking app. Please note that the mobile banking app used in this video is a sample app used for demonstration purposes only. While it is not an exact replica of our credit union mobile banking app, it does closely resemble our app and will give you a very clear picture of all the features we offer with our app. To open our app, tap the app icon on your home screen. After opening the app, you'll need to sign in. To do so, tap the padlock icon. On this screen, enter the same username and password you used to log into online banking. Then tap Continue. Next, enter the answer to your security question. Then tap Sign In. Once you're signed into the app, the padlock will be unlocked and you will be able to access all of the app features. First, let's take a look at the Move Money icon. After tapping this icon, we can make a mobile check deposit or transfer money. Let's take a look at how to perform a transfer. On this screen, select the account from which funds will be withdrawn. Then select the account to which funds will be transferred. Next, enter the transfer amount and any note you'd like to include with the transfer. This note will show up in the transaction history for both the transfer from and transfer to accounts. Next, tap Continue. After reviewing all transfer details to ensure they're correct, tap Accept to finalize the transfer. Now let's take a look at how to view the transfer transaction we just performed. To view your transaction history, tap the My Accounts icon. From here, tap the My Accounts option at the top. Then tap the Savings Checking option. Next, tap the desired subaccount. On this screen, we can see our transfer transaction listed. Let's take a look at a few other options available via the My Accounts icon. From here, you can apply for a loan, open a new account, and more. You can also perform account transactions. By tapping Pay and Transfer, you can transfer money and pay bills. From here, you can access all of the great features available with Mobile Bill Pay. Before we sign out, let's take a look at a few other helpful features. The More icon provides access to our credit union loan application, support information, and more. Let's take a look. Tap Branch Information to access branch hours and contact information. Tap Apply for Loan to apply for one of our loan products. Tap Assist to access helpful support information. Tap Coupons to access discounts that can be used at popular stores and restaurants. Tap Settings and Info to find out what version of our app your mobile device is currently running. Tap an icon below to connect with us via social media. To sign out of our app, tap the same padlock icon you used to sign in. Then tap Sign Out. As you saw in this video, our credit union mobile banking app makes it quick and easy to manage your finances on the go.